Hi guys, welcome to another episode of how we make our lures on our boat. If you haven't seen any before, tune into some of these episodes here. Please subscribe to our channel. Take a look at how we build some of the lures on our boat. So this in front of you here is an old goat lure. Don makes great lures. These are made on a 3D printer. They're similar to an Apex style lure. They've got this nice shape to them here. There's a hole in the back here, that's where your line comes through. Your line actually goes through the front and it comes right out the back and out the bottom. And this little hole here creates some water disturbance as this thing is rolling in the water and helps attract the fish into your lure. They zone in on it. So I'm going to show you how we've been tying ours up. Don sends them to you pre-tied. I, just like any lure, have to retie them over time. So I add my double snelled hooks. We'll show you how to tie those in another video. And this is what was working well for us this summer. I've got about 5 beads here, so we're going to put 5 beads on. I've used a different color combination, so I've got orange and glow. Tried to match the lure to the beads. And that seems to space the hooks out nicely right out the back end of this hook here. That's kind of where we want these hooks. So we've got these 5 beads on here. We've got some underwater footage we can show you guys on that too. Catching a kokanee. I came up and absolutely slammed these things. These things are amazing. They work really well in the water. Pretty excited to try a couple new ones here. Try a hot pink one this summer would be fun. But the orange and the blues were actually working really well for us for kokanee last summer. So this is how you set them up. You set them up this way and your line will actually go in the bottom here. And you'll push it through the hole, it comes out the top. And we'll slide this all the way down just like you would a hoochie or Brad's kokanee cut plug. And you can see these beads here get stopped right in here, so they will not come through the lure anymore. And this lure will actually rotate in the water really well. It creates a pretty good action here on this lure as it goes through the water. So check this one out. Check out Old Goat Lures, pick up your Old Goat Lures, and when you need to retie them, come back to this video, learn how we retie our Old Goat Lures and catch lots of kokanee on these things. We've even caught some pretty big rainbow trout in Dragon Lake here in town on these things. So check out Old Goat Lures, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel, share this video, like, comment, tell your friends. We will see you next time.